In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Measure tool in Tradingview. The Measure tool is your fastest way to see exactly how far price moved and how long it took, without adding any permanent drawings to your chart. Think of it as a quick, on-the-fly ruler for price and time. You'll use it constantly to size up swings, gauge retracements, and compare trend legs with precision. The quickest access is with the keyboard shortcut. Hold down Shift and engage the chart with your mouse. This lets you measure from wherever your cursor is, so you can check a move in seconds without switching tools. It's perfect when you are analyzing actively and want a quick readout. If you prefer using the toolbar, click the ruler icon on the left-hand side to activate the tool. Your cursor will switch into measure mode, and you are ready to go. This method is great when you are taking your time and want to perform multiple measurements back to back. Measuring a movement is simple. Click once at your starting point. This can be a candle wick, a close, or any price level you care about. Then move your cursor to the point you want to compare it to. As you move, a small panel appears next to your cursor showing the live stats. Click again to finalize the measurement. Let's break down what you are seeing. The tool shows the raw price difference, which is the exact change in points or currency units between your start and end. Right next to that, you'll see the percentage change, telling you how big that move was relative to the starting price. You'll also see the total number of bars included in the move, and the time duration covered. That time adapts to your chart's time frame. For example, 20 bars on a 5-minute chart equals about 100 minutes, while 20 bars on a daily chart equals 20 trading days. These 4 pieces of information together give you a complete picture of both magnitude and speed. A few practical tips as you measure. For accuracy, zoom in so you can start exactly where you intend on the wick high or low, if you are sizing extremes, or on the close if you are comparing closing moves. Use the shortcut whenever you need a quick check while another tool is active. And remember, measuring retracements versus impulse legs with the same method helps you compare strength consistently. That's all you need to start using the Measure tool with confidence. Quick access with Shift for speed, the ruler icon for deliberate work, and a clean readout that shows price change, percent, bars, and time.